Good morning, class. Today we'll discuss the different types of sets in mathematics. A set is a collection of distinct objects called elements. Here are the various types of sets. 1. Finite sets. A finite set has a specific number of elements. For example, the set of vowels in the English alphabet, A, E, I, O, U, is finite. 2. Infinite sets. An infinite set has an unlimited number of elements. For example, the set of natural numbers, 1, 2, 3, and so on, is infinite. 3. Empty set. The empty set, also known as the null set, has no elements. It is denoted by trichar or the symbol and is a subset of every set. A singleton set has exactly one element. For example, the set containing just the element A is a singleton set. A subset is a set where all its elements are also elements of another set. For example, if set A consists of 1, 2, and 3, and set B consists of 1 and 2, then B is a subset of A, which is denoted as B is a subset of A. The universal set contains all the objects under consideration for a particular discussion or problem. It is usually denoted by the symbol U. The power set of a given set is the set of all possible subsets of that set, including the empty set and the set itself. If the original set has n elements, the power set will have 2 to the power of n elements. Two sets are disjoint if they have no elements in common. For example, the sets 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6 are disjoint. Equal sets. Two sets are equal if they contain exactly the same elements. For example, if A is 1, 2, 3, and B is 3, 2, 1, then A and B are equal, denoted as A equals B. Complement of a set. The complement of a set A includes all the elements in the universal set that are not in A, denoted as A prime. For example, if U is the universal set, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and A is 1, 2, then the complement of A is 3, 4, 5. Intersection and union of sets. The intersection of sets A and B, denoted by A intersect B, is the set of elements that are in both A and B. For example, if A is 1, 2, 3 and B is 2, 3, 4, then A intersect B is 2, 3. The union of sets A and B, denoted by A union B, is the set of elements that are in either A or B or both. For example, if A is 1, 2, 3 and B is 2, 3, 4, then a union B is 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a brief overview of the types of sets in mathematics. Sets and their operations are fundamental concepts crucial for understanding more advanced topics. Any questions?